My broken Nintendo 64 sitting at home in London, which I don't play anymore because it's got no game.
High five. So, I'd just like to ask you all if you could please turn off your mobile phones, because obviously I know you don't want to mess up any of the performances tonight, so please do turn them off tonight.
Tonight's extra special for us and the Hindu Society. Tonight we celebrate 10 successful years of being part of being a society within the Students' Union and part of the National Media Forum. Woo! Tonight we've made extra efforts to make this Show Life 2012 the best event of all time.
That's right, we promise to bring a massive variety of acts tonight, full of talent, full of surprises. Hopefully we can give some memories to take home tonight.
This event could not be successful if it wasn't because of the brilliant audience we have today. So participants, and of course the Hindu Society, and especially the committee.
All the money that we will make and have made will go to our two chosen charities, the Elizabeth Foundation here in Portsmouth and the Manav Sadhana based in India.
Anyways, should we get this show on the road? What? I can't. My big is coming. I can't hear you.
No, are you being serious? Come on, louder.
Louder!
That's better. So, who's the first act?
It's Simran, you know, the guy with the amazing singing voice.
The sing. That sings, right?
Yes. Simran Singh, the sing that sings. He is our first act, right? So, would you please give a warm welcome to Simran Singh and the Red Lions?